What do you think? Is that everything you were hoping for? Yeah.
Look at that nice butterfly face.
All right. Well, that's it. There you go. It'll take just a minute to dry, so don't touch your face for 1 minute. Say your ABCs and it'll be all done. Okay?
Okay, let's go, buddy. Say thank you.
You're very welcome. Have a fun day.
Thank you.
Wow.
Is that a butterfly?
Yeah.
She's walking like she's...
Stand still. Smile, Mama. Smile. Oh my God, that is adorable.
Happy?
Yeah. You want to see? Yeah.
See, Ryan? She gets her face painted just like you do. Except you don't get butterflies. Girls do.